this chapter. Hello friend, in this friend we are learning the chapter regression. The regression analysis. The regression analysis has to depend upon the calculations depend upon two equations. First x on y on x. First see the let's see the two regression equation of x on y. For the formula is x minus mean x bar means mean is equal to r standard deviation x on y means standard deviation x on top, y should be below. Okay, then y minus y bar means mean. X bar means mean of x series, y bar means mean of y series. In place of r into standard deviation x divided by standard deviation y, we call it regression of coefficient of x on y, and it is denoted by symbol bxy. Xy means x on y. In place of these, we can take r is equal to standard deviation x divided by y, or bxy. We can take sigma x y divided by sigma y square. Okay, where x is equal to x minus x bar, y is equal to y minus y bar. Okay, so here as it is same, the regression equation, the next regression is the regression equation y on x. Okay, so here it's a regression equation y on x. It's the same here, but y is should be first y minus y bar into r standard deviation y on x, means standard deviation y upper side and on x lower side, standard deviation x lower side, into x minus x bar means mean, same as r standard deviation y divided by x, is called regression coefficient of x on y on x, and it is denoted by symbol byx. If deviation are taken from actual means, okay, means in place of standard r is to standard deviation y divided by standard deviation r, we can take sigma standard deviation x y divided by sigma x square. Why we are taking x square here? Because on x means the x square should be below, if on y means y square should be below. So that's why we are taking this x square and y square. It's depend upon the equation. Okay, let's start the question to understand the procedure of calculation of regression equation. Okay, here let's see the question of regression equation. Okay, is a okay. From the following data given below, find two regression equation, and coefficient of second bit is the coefficient of correlation between marks in economics and statistics. Means we have to calculate two regression equation, and the marks of economic statistics are given. The mostly likely marks in statistics and marks in economics are 30. Okay, so now let's calculate. Okay, the marks in economics 25, 28, 35, 32, 31, 36, 29, 38, 34 and 32, and in statistics 43, 46, 49, 41, 36, 32, 31, 30, 33 and 30. Let's solve the question of regression analysis. Okay, so I have written already x and y here. Now let's start. We have to make a new x. How? From this old x, and we have to deduct assume value. Okay, anything we can take the assume easiest value. Okay, no problem, 25 we can take. Okay, or else 35 also we can take. Anything we can take. Okay, no problem, 25 or 35 or 32. Okay, no problem. For example, I'm taking 32. Okay, I'm taking 32 value, any value. So now 32 is in minus, so we have to deduct all value from 32. 25 minus 32, how much? Minus values increase 7. 28 minus 32 minus 4. 35 minus 32 plus 3. 32 and 32 0. 31 minus 32 minus 1. 36 minus 2 minus 32 plus 4. 29 minus 32 minus 3. 38 minus 32 plus 6. 34 minus 32 plus 2. 32 0. Now make it square. 7 7s are 49. 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. 0. 1 1s are 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. 6 6 are 36. 2 2s are 4, and this one is 0. Now make a new y from this old y minus assume value. Take anything you can assume. I'm assuming any value you can assume. It doesn't require that you can assume from this only. No problem. We can take 38. 38 doesn't have here, but still we can take 43 minus 38 plus 5. 46 minus 38 plus 8. 14 minus 38 plus 11. 43 minus 38 plus 3. 36 minus 38 minus 2. 32 minus 38 minus 6. 31 minus 38 minus 7. 30 minus 38 minus 8. 33 minus 38 minus 5. 39 minus 38 means plus 1. Now y square. 5 5s are 25. 8 8s are 64. 11 11s are 121. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 6 6s are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 5 5s are 25. 1 1s are 1. Now x into y. This x into this y. New x, new y. Plus into minus minus. 5 7 5s are 45. Plus into minus minus. 7 4 8s are 32. 11 3s are 33. This is a plus value. 3 0 0. Minus into minus plus. 2 1s are 2 plus 2. Plus into minus minus. 6 4s are 24. Minus into minus plus. 7 3s are 21. Plus into minus minus. 8 6 are 48. Plus into minus minus. 5 2s are 10. 0 into 1 0. Now calculate the total, all of total. Okay, let's calculate all. 25 plus 28 plus 35 plus 32 plus 31 plus 36 plus 29 plus 38 plus 34 plus 32. 320. Now this one. Minus 7 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 3 plus 6 plus 2. Answer is 0 we are getting for x. For x square, 49 plus 16 plus 9 plus 1 plus 16 plus 9 plus 36 plus 4, overall 140. Now let's do for y. 43 plus 46 plus 49 plus 41 plus 36 plus 32 plus 31 plus 30 plus 33 plus 39 380. Now let's do y. Plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 5 plus 1. Answer y answer also we are getting 0. Now let's calculate of y square. Okay, 35 plus 64 plus 121 plus 9 plus 4 plus 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 25 plus 1. We are getting 380. 1 minute, let's calculate. Let's check once before ensuring. So we have to check 125 64 121. We forget 9 because here 1 extra we got. Let's calculate again. 25 plus 64 plus 121 plus 9 plus 4 plus 36 plus 49 plus 64 plus 25 plus 1. Here we are getting 398. Here x and y minus 45 minus 32 plus 33 plus 2 minus 24 plus 21 minus 48 minus 10 minus 103. We are getting minus 103. But before that we have to check whether we did correct or not. 7 5 are 35, 10 extra. So I'm getting, that's why I'm getting 103. Now 93. So I did mistake here. So it's now 93. This is a 35. Okay. Minus 93. Okay. Now let's calculate. First, what we have to do, we have to check the mean. What is the mean? The mean answer for x. Mean for x means sigma x divided by n. X means the total x value is how much? 320. So 320 divided by how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We got 10. 32. So we are getting exact value. Now for y, sigma y divided by n. What is the y value? Y value is 380. 380 divided by n is how much? 10. So 38 we are getting exact value. We are getting 38 exact value. So the answer is direct formula, but not should be indirect one. Okay. So first what we have to do, calculate the regression equation of x on y. Regression equation of x on y. So what is the equation? X minus mean answer is equal to r standard deviation x divided by standard deviation y. Always whenever it is mentioned x on y means x is on top, y should be below. Then y minus y bar. If y on x means y should be upside and x should be downside. let's substitute the answers. But before substituting, we don't have this standard deviation value, so we can change this formula. R standard deviation x on y, this formula can be written like this: sigma xy divided by sigma y square. We can take this value. Okay, so here I'm taking sigma xy. What is the xy value? Minus 93. What is the y square? 398. Minus 93 divided by 398. What is the value? Divided by 398. Minus 0. Minus 0.2337. Now start the equation. Substitute value in this equation. X means normally keep x as it is. In place of mean, we have to take mean answers. Okay, which we got. This mean answers we have to take. So in place of means, take how much? What is the mean? X bar is 32. 32 is equal to, in place of this we got this answer, so minus 0.2337 into y is same, minus y bar means how much? Y bar is 38. Now x minus 32, what we have to do? We have to multiply this with first y, then second 38, means 0.2337 into y means 7y directly. Minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus, plus 38, plus, then multiply with 38. We are getting 8.8793. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to move this 38 to here to make it plus. Okay, so x minus x is equal to, this value same remains 0.2337 y plus, first write 32 because 32 is highest, then write plus 8.8. you can take 8, no problem. Now add this 8 into 32, so x is equal to minus 0.2337y plus 40.88. This is the equation x on y. Now take y on x. Regression equation y on x. For this purpose, first we have to write y minus y bar is equal to correlation standard deviation y on standard deviation x into x minus mean. So in place of this r, standard deviation y on standard deviation x, we can take sigma xy divided by on x means sigma x square. So xy we have 93 and that is in minus, divided by x square. How much we are getting x square? We are getting 140. X square, how much? 140 we are getting. So take 140 minus, because upper side is minus, so minus in answer. 93 divided by 140, we are getting 0.6643. Now substitute in equation. In place of y, same as minus, what is the y bar? We have taken 38, and this answer we got here minus 0.66. Into, here x is the same, and what is the mean? Mean is 32. How? Here 38 and 32. Now solve this. First what we have to do, we have to multiply this x with 32. So this remain 38 same, minus 0. If you multiply with x means 0.6643x. Then plus into minus, minus into minus, plus, multiply this 0.6643 into 32. We are getting how much? 21.25. 26 we can take, 26. Now what we have to do, we have to move 38 to here. Y is equal to minus 0.6643 x. If you transfer to here means plus 38 plus 21.26. If you are adding this one means y is equal to minus 0.6643 x plus 30, 40, 50, 59.26. 59.26 is the answer for y on x. Okay, this is how regression equation will be calculated. And if we do coefficient of correlation, formula is small, but here coefficient of correlation formula, coefficient of correlation. Formula is R is equal to under root bxy into byx. Okay, bxy means under root, xy means xy divided. After dividing xy, how much we got? X divided by x on y, we are getting minus 0.2337. okay, xy means x into y, x on y, y on x means yx means y on x. X on y, how much we are getting? We are getting minus 0.2337 into, and y on x minus 0.6643. multiply, both are in minus, so if you multiply it will become plus. And what is the answer? Minus 2337 into 0.6643. It's getting minus 1.552. 0.1552. We have to remove the root. Root 0.1552. Remaining root means how much we are getting? We are getting 0.3939 is the answer. Okay, 3939, we are getting the answer is 3939 for coefficient. This is the way how coefficient of correlation is solved.